they flooded the internet with all this AI content, and then Google's looked at it and thought, "No, this is actually not good." But rather than a sad, depressing, gentle decline, it's more of a slamming the door in the face and saying, "Get the hell out."
SEOscience.com.
I mean, all I've seen for the past 6 months of people in the SEO world going on about how much money they're going to make using AI. Look at all these amazing results AI is generated, and like, to be honest, I could kind of see this coming. I mean, we all feared it when ChatGPT first rolled out to the masses, but when I've done like experiments with AI, it's always been the same pattern. So something will get indexed and start getting keywords. It'll start accumulating keywords very quickly, and you're like, "Oh, bloody hell, this has worked wonders." And then it'll start climbing up the rankings a little bit. And then I always found once it got to about that sort of top 10 position, and you're in that stage where Google is serving the content to actual visitors and people are using the page, looking at the content, and then finding that the content is not very good. You see these sort of spikes where they go up and then just a sad, depressing decline back down to sort of like the mid 50, 60 rankings. And it's kind of like what has happened with a lot of these sites is that they've had massive spikes in traffic because of the AI content. They flooded the internet with all this AI content, and then Google's looked at it and thought, "No, this is actually not good." But rather than a sad, depressing, gentle decline, it's more of a slamming the door in the face and saying, "Get the hell out."